Hello everyone, this is a video demonstration or presentation for our project titled User Facial Expression Analysis in Response to Visual Stimuli. So that's quite a daunting project title, but basically what it does is that the user is presented with a set of visual stimuli. Those could be images, videos, GIFs. As part of this project, we have chosen 17 different images which can beget uh, response from the user in the form of 7 different emotions. So those 7 different emotions which we are classifying as part of this project are the neutral emotion, then happiness, sadness, and then anger, then surprise and disgust, and so on. So for each of these images, once the model starts, the user is presented with a set or carousel of images, and simultaneously the webcam of the user also runs and it starts generating the frames. So in each of those frames, what is the user's response to that particular image is recorded. So first of all, we use a CNN model which does the classification, and then those values are stored and displayed to the user in the form of a table. So once the model has ended, or if the user wants to prematurely end the model and get to see the results, then they can choose the end model button, which is provided to them on the carousel page, and they would be redirected to the results page. On the results page, they are presented with a table which contains the 7 different emotions as the columns and the images as the rows. And then they also have the option to download the results. For example, they may want to use that further as part of some other purpose. So let's have a look at the project. So this is the Flask code, and this is the set of emotions which we shall be classifying. So now we click on this link, we get to the home page. So the home page describes what the functionality is very clearly and how the user can access this particular website. And once we click on the open webcam button, this little window for the webcam pops up, and you can see that the carousel has still not come up. So the reason for this is that the amount of time it takes for the webcam to be start and this window to pop up is machine dependent. It depends upon one machine to another. It depends upon the hardware primarily, and it depends upon the processor which is being used, the RAM, and other considerations as well. So it was not feasible for us to set a particular timer to monitor when the webcam is ready. So what we have done is we have provided the user with these 2 buttons, the start model and stop model. So using the start and the stop model button, the user can start the model and then stop it and have a look at the results. So when I click on the start model button, and then if I can bring this back now, oh, that's quite a cute image. That's a cute cat. Oh, that's badass. Oh, that's also cute. And this is quite cute as well. As you can see, it's classifying that as happy. Oh my god. Oh, that was disgusting. Oh. Oh my. I don't know why, but I find that funny. I don't find this funny though. Oh, that's borderline disturbing. Ah, this is funny. Ah, ah, that's cute. Indeed, I believe in this 100%. Yes, comrade son. Oh my god, that scares me. So as you can see that the webcam has stopped capturing frames. That is why the window for the webcam footage is now stuck in its position. Now once the user clicks on the stop model button, they are presented with these prediction values in the form of a table. And now when we click on the download report, it gets downloaded here in the form of a CSV file. Once we click on it, it gets opened here, and the user can use this further for their purpose, for any purpose. So perhaps because I was under the influence of being monitored, I could not provide the natural expressions which I should have had for those images. That is why we can observe that the values there were skewed. So the primary purpose for which this project can be used is for market research and for human-computer interactions, for improving human-computer interactions, and also how people respond to advertisements. So advertising agencies can get people to look at a set of advertisements and then observe and note down and further analyze their facial expressions with which they respond to those advertisements. And that is why we allow the user to be able to download the values as well in the form of CSV files, so that they can be used in the future as well for some other purpose as well. Thank you very much. That was all.